We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to clear a paper jam, and I'm working with an Okidata MC363. So first thing first, I always like to check my tray before I go look at the inside of the printer. So you want to pull your tray out. It might be a little tricky, so just pull it out as much as you can. There is a roller right here. If you see the paper here, you just pick it up, pull it out gently. You always want to pull your paper out gently. You never want to yank because it could tear, and then the paper could stay inside the printer causing more jams, or you could also damage a sensor. So then of course you'd have to put your printer in to a service company, aka Onyx. So what you want to do is, if it's here, go ahead and pull it up and out. The next place to check is going to be under your drum. There we go. So these levers here, you will want to pull these up. Do it nice and gently. That way you don't damage anything. Then your paper should be right here. You shouldn't need to remove anything else. So you want to go ahead and just pull it up and out gently, slowly. If your printer is jamming a lot and if your printer is jamming a lot and you're not, you clear the jam and it's still jamming, you may need to put your printer in for a service. If you guys are in any need of supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.